I like to experiment in my garden and grow new varieties and even new species that I have never tried before. In the past couple of years, I have tried growing a few unique varieties like snake bean, jelly cucumber, purple kohlrabi, also Malabar spinach, red eggplant, Romanesco, which is supposed to be green but it turned out purple for me. Lemon cucumber was also a great one. Pink cauliflower added a lot of color. Armenian cucumber, frog eggplant, which is so cute. Also yard-long beans and black pearl pepper, Carolina Reaper pepper, which is the hottest in the world, petty pan squash, and ahi charapita pepper. And now let me share with you what I'm planning to grow this year. Dwarf tamarillo and sunberry. Also, I'm planning to grow Aunt Molly's ground cherry and purple tomatillo. I've never had these before. As of tomato varieties, I'm going to give a try to this Patio Choice yellow bush cherry tomato. Also, Cherry Falls tomato, which is like cascading. You can grow it in baskets, so that's going to be a first one for me. Also, Siberia tomato. I chose this variety because of its cold hardiness and earliness. Also, another tomato is Subarctic Plenty, which is also cold hardy short season tomato, perfect for my northern climate. And the last tomato I'm going to grow is Mountain Princess tomato. And these are just the new varieties. I'm also going to grow my favorite varieties of tomatoes that I grow every year. This sweet pepper red macaroni is going to be the first one. Also this Parker one and shishito pepper. These are all sweet varieties. And I'm going to grow hot peppers as well. Datil is the new one. Also ahi mango. And this beautiful ornamental fireworks hot pepper. As for eggplants, I will have this green variety. Also this Japanese miso. Patio baby hybrid, which is very short season. And diamond eggplant, that's also an early Ukrainian variety. I will also grow a few cucumber varieties that are new. Bush slicer, this is a container variety. Also this little tuk baby, it's a very early variety, I think like 36 days. Hocus jerkin cucumber is also a new one for me. And I'm going to grow this bushy cucumber, which is like a compact variety, and Russian pickling cucumber, which is supposed to be early. I'm also planning to grow this Triunfo Violetto pole bean because it has beautiful purple color. And I will also try this other bean, which is called Blue Lake. It has great reviews. And it's great for canning too. Out of bush varieties, I'll have this strike variety, which is super early, 45 days. And this another bush variety that's called Masai bush bean. It is also early, 47 days from planting. I'm trying to grow things that are short season, like early ripening, because I want to have more out of my garden. I'm also experimenting with this Aspa brock, which is a broccoli variety that tastes like asparagus, and artwork hybrid broccoli. I also grow two new cabbage varieties, early Jersey Wakefield cabbage and Katarina hybrid, which is very early. I think it was 45 days. And I'll grow 2 new carrot varieties. This one called Little Finger and Mokum carrot, which is an early 54 days variety. So if you would like to know how these varieties perform in my garden, how I like them and how do they taste, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for updates. I'll definitely tell you all about each of these varieties I am trying in 2023. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!